Hey everybody, welcome to the FSL Fab Shop. Today I'm starting the largest project I have ever done and it is Batman's throne. Hey everybody, I hope you enjoyed the Batman Throne build part 1, and I hope you're as excited as I am because I'm a huge nerd. And honestly, this project is so big, it's going to take me so long, and I'm going to have to buy so much material that I'm going to do it back at home. Remember that we cut all of the wood with the Muse Titan. We cut all of the metal with the Atlas alloy. We laser welded with our laser welder. And I'm gonna take all of the files that I've designed for this when I'm at home and cut them on my PS48. So, if you liked the video, please like it. Subscribe if you want to see more, part 2 and part 3. And until next time, keep making.